US30 this week has risen in value, where we can see all 5 candles this week has been bullish. So we can see that the price has formed this bullish candle on a Monday and started rising in the value, and also each candle and each day the price has risen in value, where we have seen also a bullish breakout above this strong very resistance area, which is also a supply zone where the sellers were waiting. But we can see that this price level did not act at all on the price has gone through it smoothly. So we can see that strong bullish momentum is on the market. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that the price has formed this bullish breakout with a strong bullish candle, and monthly time frame shows similar. So after the previous month was a great bullish candle, we see it here. Now the price has made another breakout to the upside without returning it back down. So this is only showing a strong bullish momentum where the sellers are outside of the market currently. So everybody is stepping in, also buying this symbol. So what we can expect this after the month ends, where we have 2.5 or more weeks until this month ends. I would like to see this bullish momentum and also bullish breakout on the monthly time frame, confirming returning back down around 36500 price level and also 36400, just to verify this bullish breakout. On the weekly time frame, I would also like to see this price returning back down, just to confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one on this great confluence of resistance. If that happens, this will mean that the bulls have overtaken this complete market and the price is heading to the new higher price levels. Now if we go and see in the past, we can see that this is all-time high price levels. So for now, the next target on the market is 3700, and the next one is 3800, which is also a round number. So we will see what happens. So this area for the price is currently uncharted, so I do not see very important levels except round numbers on the market. So I will leave it here as it is, as the next target for the price. Now for the daily time frame, what we can see, if the price returns back down, the first level where the price needs to break is 3710. So I will put here a small one, horizontal line, as a support and resistance level on the daily time frame. Okay, this is the one. Because the price had problems around this price level, we can see here confluence of support and resistance. So this is the first price level as a support and the resistance currently on the chart. So what I'm expecting for the next week based on this one, I'm expecting that the price could return back down on some level here and reaching this 3711 price level. If the price makes a breakout to the downside, the next level where the price would stop is this one, 36600, which is a confluence, a small one between these two price levels, and also this is the start of this demand zone. So if you would like to see what would be the entry level with the stop loss and the take profit, you can also check my trading community. Below description is the link. And also, if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for the next week analysis. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.